Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious ham salad using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked ham, which should be finely diced or ground for the perfect consistency. Also, have on hand about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery, and a small amount of onion and sweet relish for that extra zing. These simple components are the foundation of our tasty dish. Now, let's bring all those wonderful flavors together. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, combine your 2 cups of finely diced ham with about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Next, fold in 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery, which adds a lovely crunch. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of sweet relish and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a delightful tang. Mix everything gently until it's well combined. To perfect your ham salad, it's time for seasoning. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Remember, you can always add more later. If you enjoy a bit more zest, a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice, perhaps 1 teaspoon, will brighten the flavors beautifully. Once seasoned, cover the bowl and chill your ham salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together wonderfully. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious, homemade ham salad. This versatile dish is perfect served on crisp crackers or toasted bread for a simple snack. It also makes an excellent filling for sandwiches, ideal for a quick and satisfying lunch. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or a dash of paprika. Enjoy this easy and flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.